Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going through some coupons that are available that can be used at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going through my inserts that I got today, January 19th. So I'm just going to go through and tell you which ones that I'll probably be using at the Dollar Tree for Trick Off Tuesday. Let me see what this one say. I never really seen Garnier Beauti there. The inserts are pretty thin, to be honest. Nothing's really going on so special. Let's see here. These are at the Dollar Tree. Buy 4, get 2 free. So you'll get 6 for $4 if you use that coupon. The max value is $2.20. So they're going to take off the 2 free ones plus, I guess, tax if you use that coupon. Tylenol cold, I never seen that. Oh, my favorite laundry detergent, Persil. These are at the Dollar Tree. These will be free with that coupon. They come in a small bag. They come in a smaller bag. So if you have these at your Dollar Tree, they'll be free. I have them at mine. These right here, actually. These are the ones that I have at my Dollar Tree. These popcorn chicken. Those are the ones that I have. So if you have those at your Dollar Tree, those will be free with that coupon. I'll let you know if it adjusts down to $1 or if it beats. I've never seen any Dixie cups. Alright, and that's the end of that insert for the Retail Me Not of January 19th. Pistachios, they have them. However, I think they're less than 14 ounces. I don't know if they're less than 4.5 ounces. I have to see. But you can also use that coupon at the Dollar Tree. I've seen these at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if it's 4.5 or smaller. I have to see when I get in there tomorrow. This hand soap, it'll be 50 cents with that coupon. Soft soap, hand soap, 50 cents. Soft soap, Irish Spring, body wash. Never seen that there. Never seen that. They did have boxes of these. If your Dollar Tree still has them, it'll be free with this coupon. Either one, Alka-Seltzer Plus. All right, back to the 50-cent coupons for the toothpaste. Last week they were $1. I think a week or two ago they were $1 coupons, so they made them free. The coupon is back, but it's only for 50 cents. So it'll be 50-cent toothpaste and a 50-cent toothbrush. It's not free anymore. They don't have any battery-powered toothbrushes there, so just these right here. Okay. The Palmolive coupon is back. 50 cents off. It'll be 50 cents with this coupon. They usually have the purple one there. Mine still have it. Or this one is $1 off. I don't know which one is going to work, but I'll probably try that one first. Then that was $1 off. Speed Stick, it'll be 50 cents with this coupon. Also, the Lady Speed Stick will be 50 cents also with that coupon. They used to sell these at the Dollar Tree. I haven't seen them in a while. But if they have these at your Dollar Tree, they'll be free. But again, I haven't seen them in a while at the Dollar Tree. Dollar General. Alright, and that's it for the Smart Source. It was pretty thin this week too. The next thing I'm going to go through is some coupons off coupons.com that I have printed. This buy one, get one free. I haven't seen any scrubbing bubbles bath cleaning product, but they do have a toilet bowl cleaner. So if they got the scrubbing bubbles bath cleaner, you can buy one and get one free. The Colgate mouthwash. They usually only have that in the kids. I haven't seen the adult Colgate mouthwash, but that coupon is expired. Actually, it expired yesterday, so that's no good anyway. This Jergens moisturizer. That's for that moisturizing hand wash. I love that moisturizing hand wash, but this coupon expired yesterday too, so that one's no good either. This Perel hand sanitizer, $1 off with that coupon. Or you get 2 for $1. I don't know which one works. It depends on the, I don't know if it works or not. I'll have to try it and see. Mucinex, if you still got that at your Dollar Tree, free with that coupon. Now, people have been hauling this Perrier, like 4-pack. So if you have this coupon, try it. It's $1 off on 2 packs, so they'll be 50-cent piece. So I've been seeing people haul that. This is a repeater. This 1 count emergency red hots. I use that. And the Perel again. Ziploc bags. I've used this one. This coupon is expired though, so that one's no good. Sensodyne. I seen a trial size Sensodyne. I don't know if it works on here or not. The coupon said it excludes trial sizes, so I probably won't try that. Clorox disinfectant wipes, 35 count. That ain't no good. Save $1 on any 2 Clorox. So that might work. I've never tried that one. I've never seen Eucerin. Gold Bond. I think the Gold Bond they have is a 1 ounce. I've never tried this coupon to know if it works or not. Airborne. They have that at the Dollar Tree. So if you print that coupon, it'll be free. I've never seen Nivea lip care, but they do have the Nivea lotion there. I don't know if it's a trial size or not. It comes like this, but it's white. So this coupon might work on that product, Nivea. I've never seen Aveeno. I'll let you look at those coupons. They got some great Aveeno coupons this month. I've never seen Windex or Pledge. Just a leave coupon. I printed out a couple more of these. I used this coupon last week. It scanned. So it adjusts down to $1. So the cashier does not have to adjust this coupon for me. When she scanned it, it adjusts down to $1. So it'll be free of leave if you have that coupon off coupons.com. Toilet bowl cleaner. With this coupon, it'll be 50 cents. They have those toilet bowl things you drop in the toilet bowl. I think it turns the water blue. They'll be 50 cents with that coupon. Garnier, no. No, I never seen any shit. Eucerin, Clear Sale. I've seen Clear Sale there one time. I haven't seen it in a while, but if you have Clear Sale, it'll be free with that coupon. Any one Clear Sale product. Here's the printable version of the Alka Seltzer. So if you have any more of those in your Dollar Tree, that'll be free with that coupon. They do sell Glad bags at the Dollar Tree, but I think it's 80 count. It's not 80 count or more, so I don't know. If you want to try it, you can. I don't know. Juicy Juice. Organic. I've never seen an organic Juicy Juice. I've seen the Juicy Juice, but not the organic. So if you have that, you can use that. This coupon right here works. 50 cents off any Lysol products. 50 cents off. It'll be 50 cents with that coupon. I've never seen these extra refresher bottles. They do have this Florida Natural there, but they have the smaller bottles, but I haven't tried the coupon, so I don't know if it works or not. Gold Bond. I think that's a travel size of Gold Bond. I don't know if it's a 1 ounce or not. I have to try it. Emergency again, the Mucinex. Alright, let's see. They have a $5 off any 3 Colgate. Wow, that's a high value coupon. Colgate, 3 ounces. So you'll have to see if this coupon works a $5 coupon in a Dollar Tree, but you got to get 3. So if you get 3, it might adjust down to $3. I'm just not sure. I have to try it. I have to try it on the toothpaste at Dollar Tree because I'm not sure. But it'll be 3 free toothpastes if it works. This $5 off coupon. I probably wouldn't take it to the Dollar Tree, to be honest. I probably would take it to CVS. I'm going to see how many more I can print if they're not all gone. And then I'll probably take it to CVS. But if not, I'll try it at Dollar Tree too. That gold bond, I don't know if that works. Adult colon sinus, I never seen that. I never seen Sudafed. All right, and Aveeno, I never seen Aveeno. Okay, so that's just a preview of my coupons for the Dollar Tree that I'm gonna try to use this week. Make sure you watch any of my previous videos. The Trick Off Tuesday from last week. My fasting video, I drank water for 8 days or 7 days straight, and I lost 8 pounds. So make sure you watch that video. It's in my playlist and all my other videos. All right, thank you all for watching. It's Beauty Passion. Hecky no, Joe, and I'm out.